Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I am over the moon excited because today I'm filming my part 3 of 3 Amazon series video. This was kind of like a first impressions. I already filmed the try on portion of this video, so that was when I really got to react and see how everything felt on. But you guys, now that I've tried everything on, I cannot wait to share it with you guys. You guys, before we get into the video, I do want to mention that these clothing items were sent to me before you click out of this video and think that this is not a legit review. So many Amazon sellers reach out to me to review their products, talk about their products, and I turn them down because honestly I buy so much on my own that like I don't really care to receive free product. But as soon as this Amazon seller reached out to me and I checked out their Amazon shop, I was like, these items are beautiful, the reviews were great, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm not even lying though too, right after I filmed the try on portion, I added like 4 more items to cart in different colors because since the quality of these items are so good, I can't wait to purchase more of the items with my own money and be able to do like a whole other review for you guys. So just wanted to throw that out there. No, this video is not sponsored. Yes, I'm gonna give you guys my 100% honest feedback. And yeah, anyway, so without any more rambling, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. And if you want to see a ton more Amazon favorites videos, because I'm telling you guys, I'm purchasing from Amazon every day. There's plenty of more Amazon favorites videos to come. All right, let's get into the video. The first item that I picked up from the Grace Karen little Amazon shop was this gorgeous top right here. When I saw this, I don't know why I was drawn to it and I was like, immediately I had to have it. Although there's a lot of color and stuff going on, I feel like it's so tasteful and I feel like there's so many ways to style this up to where it would be like edgy and elegant. When I envisioned wearing this top, I envisioned wearing them with my like black Zara leggings and some like pointed toe black shoes. I could definitely dress this top up or down, but honestly I just love how different it is. And this top was only $12.99 and it just feels so comfortable on. The material is really nice. Although it is a mesh material, it's not that super like cheap mesh that like snags or breaks easily. So I'm really happy about that. This is how the top looks on. I'm honestly just obsessed with how edgy it looks. Right now I just have it paired with my Zara leather pants. And then these shoes I also got from Amazon. They're really pretty like Valentino dupes and just layered with some jewelry. But I also think that this top would look super cute like with denim and maybe even a jean jacket over top. I just love how it has like pops of color without being too overpowering, and I feel like this is like the perfect kind of like dinner date, night out type of top. Also, I just have this little like bralette tank top underneath. This is also from Amazon and it's perfect because it doubles as a bra and then also as like an undershirt since this top is completely see-through. This is how the top looks peeking out underneath of denim, and I am just obsessed with this outfit. I could even switch out these heels for like some supergas sneakers, and then this would be a perfect like dressed up but like casual kind of outfit. I just love that. I love how you get this like pop of color, but it's not like overpowering. You got colors going on, but it's not like screaming and taking over the entire outfit. And then also I just threw these shades on. These are also from Amazon. They come in a pack of 2. I'm obsessed with these black ones, but then they also have some tortoiseshell brown ones that I will show you guys. Next up, this top is one of my absolute favorites. It's this really pretty kind of like ruched balloon sleeve high neck top. When I saw this, I knew I had to have it because I'm obsessed with anything with a high neckline and like nice balloon sleeves. Not to mention, this is like the most soft, comfortable blouse ever. You know how like a lot of times nicer blouses will have that chiffon, like scratchy, itchy material? This is literally like, it feels like it's made out of 100% cotton. Like guys, this is literally like the softest, most buttery, cozy blouse ever. And I just figured I could style this a ton of different ways. I could wear this with like leather leggings. I could wear this with denim. I could dress it up, dress it down. And what I also love about this top is that they have it in a bunch of different colors. They have it in red, they have it in black, they have it in really pretty emerald green. So this is another one of those items where once I received it and tried it on, I'm like, add to cart the red one, add to cart the green one, the black one. Like I literally want one in every color just because it's so flattering, cute, and comfy on. So this is how the blouse looks like on. I am So obsessed. I think that this is so flattering. I love the ruched detailing down the center here. I also love how high up the neckline comes. I'm a sucker for high necklines and like balloon sleeves. It is just absolutely so flattering. They also have this in red and black as well. I definitely want to pick up those colors, but something about this navy up against like really pretty layered gold jewelry is just such a vibe. I just have it paired with jeans and then some nude heels, but you could definitely wear this with like black leather leggings. Ooh, I also have these really pretty like tan pants that would complement the blue so beautifully. I love flattering blouses like this that are fitted, but they're ruched, so you don't have to worry about if you're like wearing this to dinner or brunch and you eat too much, like it'll still cover any lumps and bumps in your stomach. And then I did notice that this top has a lot of extra material on the bottom. Like it comes down pretty far. So it has like a lot of extra material. So you could either tuck it into your pants, but what I did is I just took that tank that I was wearing before, that like bralette, and I just tucked it inside of there, and it kind of gave it like a nice cropped finish. And then it meets my pants at like a really good length. So that's a little trick, but I am absolutely obsessed with this top. It's so cute. And next up, this is one of my favorite pieces, is this really cute kind of like cropped cardigan. I'm obsessed with the balloon sleeve detailing on this. Again, anything balloon sleeve, I'm like, yes. I also loved how it's ribbed right here and it's ribbed down here too to kind of like bring the waist in. They also have these in a ton of different colors. I want to get the cream color that they have of this as well. The material on this is so cozy and comfortable, and what I love about this kind of like open front cropped cardigan is that it's perfect going into the springtime because you can wear it with like a tank top underneath and kind of have it open. Or in the wintertime, you can wear it just like this, like a regular sweater. You can wear it with denim, you can wear it with like leggings, anything, and you're just gonna look so cute, cozy, but like super comfortable. Like I mentioned, the material on this is really good. I've noticed that a lot of times when purchasing sweaters from like Amazon and stuff, you never know if the material is gonna be like scratchy or uncomfortable. This one's not scratchy whatsoever. The quality of it is also really nice. And can we talk about these cute tortoise shell buttons down the center? She cute. All right, so this is how that kind of cropped cardigan looks like on. I am absolutely obsessed. I think it looks so cute, just kind of worn as a cropped cardigan, but then you could definitely button it up and wear it on its own like that. Right now I have it paired with just these leather leggings, my white supergas, and then a really pretty kind of like dainty lace top and some gold jewelry, but I just think that this will be perfect, especially going into the springtime. I am absolutely obsessed with the balloon detailing on this. Obsessed with the ribbed detailing at the bottom, the tortoise shell buttons. Like, it's just so cute. This is like the perfect kind of like running errands. I'm cute, I'm stylish, but I'm so comfy outfit. This next top, I'm obsessed with. It's actually the one I have on because as soon as I put it on, I was like, I want to take this off. This is super cute, kind of like early 2000s inspired top. So stunning. I love the little frill detailing all throughout here. It just fits so flattering on as well. Like it just makes you feel so girly and pretty. And I was having one of those days before I was filming the try on portion of this video, and I was just feeling like frumpy and just like gross and not cute. But the second that I put on this top, I just felt like so like pretty and put together. Like, do you guys ever have that where like you just don't feel good and then you put on like a really bomb outfit and you're like, okay, I'm not a potato. Like, I do look cute. I am whatever. That's what this top did for me. So I just absolutely love it. This was another one of those tops that I saw that they carried it in black as well, and I added that to my cart too. I'm about to check out my Amazon cart in just a second. I literally want this top in every color possible. In a second, I'm going to show you guys so many different ways that you can style this. You can definitely make this like dainty, pretty top edgy, depending on like the pants and the shoes that you pair with it. But you could also wear it like an open cardigan too. So stay tuned for the try on portion. So this is how the top looks on, and I could not be any more obsessed. I am so in love with this like lace detailing around here and the little frills on the sleeves and on the base here. Like, this is bringing me some serious nostalgia. I definitely owned a shirt like this when I was 7, but somehow, I don't know, I just love it. And I initially wasn't even planning on styling it with these leather pants, But since this top is so dainty, it actually looks so cute paired with like these more edgier leather leggings and then just my white supergas. Like, this is such a good spring outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I also think that this top would look super cute with some like oversized denim, maybe even tucked in, and then the supergas as well. I'll show you guys how that looks in a second. But what's great about this top too is that you can also leave this top part open and maybe just like the bottom and have, you know, a little spring summer moment. Or you could wear this with a tank top underneath and just have it completely open, kind of like a cardigan. This would also be perfect going into the summer for the beach. Like if you put on your bathing suit with just this over top, left it unbuttoned, or you just button the center, it'd be such a cute like summer beach top. So I'm loving this. This is absolutely adorable. You guys should definitely pick this top up. It'll be perfect going into the spring. So here is another way I would style that same cute frilly white top. I just styled them with these oversized jeans from Princess Polly and then my Jordan 1s. You guys, it's a vibe because then you got like pretty and dainty up top, your edgy Jordans on the bottom. Which, you guys, I'm gonna rant for a second. You know what really bothers me? Girls that wear ones and don't really appreciate them. Like growing up, I was a sneakerhead, so I can actually appreciate Jordan 1s. But the fact that now they're just trendy now and it's just cool to wear is kind of upsetting. Anyways, random rant. But yeah, I just think that this is such a fun, cute, comfy way to style them, especially for the springtime because I'm warm, but I'm still springy and cute. And then I could still wear this in the wintertime by just throwing on like a oversized coat over top. Next up, I have this really pretty lace satin tank. You guys, most people that know me know that like a top like this is literally my uniform. Like I have one in black, I have one in beige, tan. Like I have tops like this in almost every single color just because I love styling these with like denim, leather. Like I love really soft, pretty tops and making them edgy. When I saw this combination of the beige up against the white, I had to have this because I felt like this screamed spring. It is just so stunning and I love how high up the lace comes. It also looks really pretty in the back, how you have this lace kind of like wrapped around here. This is literally perfect for the summertime. In the meantime though, this is the type of top that looks beautiful layered underneath of like a leather jacket, denim jacket, underneath of a cardigan. This also would look so pretty underneath of this top. Have a nice pretty like frilly girly moment. So I love this. Not to mention the quality of this top is amazing. Honestly, the quality of all of these pieces, they're nice, thick, and sturdy. So this is how that stunning satin tank looks on. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bit big on me and the straps come down pretty far, so I just tied them up a little bit up here, but I still think that it's definitely wearable. Not to mention the quality of this top feels so nice. Like every piece of clothing too that I have tried on is super breathable. It's comfortable, the quality is good, but super affordable. Like I don't know how they're doing it. I also think that this is just like a perfect spring top. Like I love how high up the lace comes. I love the tone of this. It's like a nice blushy beige. So right now I just have it paired with that same oversized denim and my supergas. But I honestly also think this top would look really pretty with just like fitted denim and heels for like brunch, or you could even wear it with just like fitted denim and these sneakers. This also looks so cute styled underneath of that white crop shirt that I was just wearing previously. So you could totally wear it like this. That's a vibe. So cute. Guys, I'm officially ready for spring after filming this video. Like, I'm just ready to be wearing all these like blushy, soft, light colors. Also guys, if you keep seeing the mess over here, that's just all the clothes I'm trying on. So please don't mind that. You guys, this next item I am absolutely in love with. It literally looks so expensive and you would not believe it's from Amazon. It's this really gorgeous, I don't even know how to describe the material of this, but it's like a gray cardigan open front sweater. What I love about this top though is that you can wear it like this, or honestly I discovered that I also love the way this sweater looks worn backward. Just like a regular sweater, it gives you a really nice high neckline. I love how the sleeves taper in at the bottom, and again you get that really nice rib detailing. I'm a sucker for like rib detailing at the bottom of sleeves, and then you also got that same rib detailing down here. Like it looks like it is such an expensive sweater, and I want to say it was only like $30. I feel like the tone of this too is perfect for the winter time, but then you could also definitely style this going into the spring. I am just absolutely obsessed with this, and I don't know if you guys can see the material. Like I can't describe it, but it is just so stunning. So this is how the sweater looks on. You guys, fun fact, I actually love the way it looks on backwards. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the right way, but On backwards, I'm obsessed with how high up the neckline, and I just think it's so like cute and flattering and chic. I have it paired with these taupe pants from H&M and then these Vince Camuto snakeskin booties. And you guys, I'm just loving this outfit. Oh, it's so cute. Not to mention, you guys, this is like one of the softest sweaters that I own. The material is just so buttery soft and it just feels so nice on. Like, ugh, I don't want to take this off. It's so cute and so nice. All right, so this is how it looks worn the right way with the buttons in the front. Still super cute. I definitely need to like steam this. But this sweater is so soft and just cozy. I just have the sleeves kind of like cinched up a little bit and I just think it looks so cute. I have it paired with the same pants. However, I feel like worn frontward, it makes it more casual for some reason. So I switched out the boots for my white supergas and this is such a cute outfit. Like I will definitely be wearing this spring. Next up, this is like the most basic item. However, it's one of my favorites. It's this really nice kind of like long lined sweater. This sweater comes down so far down, which is what I love about this because this is perfect to style with leggings. You're gonna be covered completely. You're gonna be comfortable. The material of this product is so nice too. Like it looks so expensive. It's a nice heavy structured sweater material. Again, you get the rib detailing at the bottom of the sleeves as well as the rib detailing up here on the neckline. I also have this sweater in the most gorgeous like rich gray color. It's almost like the same color of the previous gray sweater that I was showing you. So I definitely want to get one in that color as well because I know that I'll get a ton of wear out of it when I want to just be comfy but look like I'm trying. A sweater like this with like leather leggings and like some booties, you're all set. You look like you're trying. And what's also great about this sweater is that it has that like oversized long line finish. However, it's not frumpy looking at all. It still like tapers in the right area. All right, so this is how the long line black sweater looks like on. You guys, I am obsessed. Before I get into this look, am I the only one that can no longer wear like high neck black tops and gold jewelry without automatically feeling like The Rock? I'm gonna insert the picture. Like I can't look at this outfit the same and like not see The Rock. Like I look like The Rock right now. Anyways, I got this top to purposely wear with black leggings so I could wear it to work and have something to completely cover my butt and everything, and I could just throw it on, be comfortable, but look like I'm trying. The length that it comes down to is just absolutely perfect. It's literally almost like a sweater dress. This top could also be really cute, belted in with like a really nice statement belt. I feel like a top like this paired with leggings and then some sort of like knee-high heeled booties, like it's such a vibe. You look super cute, but you're so comfortable, and that's what I strive for in life. And then last but not least, this item is definitely different from everything else that I've shown you guys in this video so far. They are these really cute tie-dye joggers. You guys, can we talk about the coloring on this? So I'm not gonna lie, when I got these, I was not expecting them to be like a velour material. Like I thought that it was just gonna be like a cotton jogger, but they are like that really cool kind of like velvet material, which is fine. These are so comfy. They're oversized. What I like about these too is that they are not too thick, so they'll be good to wear in the spring and summer when you want to stay warm at night but you don't want to wake up like sweating. They just feel like super airy and breathable, and I just think that these will be so cute to just wear around the house. I definitely won't be wearing these out because I feel like that would be quite the statement, but to wear around the house, I think that these are so fun and cute. And then this is how the velour kind of tie-dye pants look like on. They're honestly not meant to be styled. They're just like super comfy. I probably would not wear these out the house, but I think the color is so fun and so cute to just wear around the house, be comfy, but still feel cute. I believe I got mine in a medium or small, and they're nice and like loose. I also love that they have pockets on them. These are just seriously like the perfect loungewear joggers. Like oversized, comfy, but like you don't feel like a total toad in them. I will definitely be wearing these a ton around the house. And alright, you guys, that wraps it up for my Amazon fashion haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed finding some like staple pieces from Amazon that you can pick up on a budget. Like I said, I'll leave everything linked down below as well as my Amazon shop. All of the clothing items in this video will be linked in my Amazon shop, as well as other Amazon clothing items that I recommended in the past that aren't in this video. I'm telling you, I have a ton of good gems in there, all for such a good price, so definitely check out my Amazon shop. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more Amazon favorites video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I truly love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.